Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Amma ba'd. Happy Independence Day to everyone. I thank respected dignitaries, staff members and non-staff members. Interjection of Jamia Muhammadiyah Bara Babli Ahmad Nagar in short. Alhamdulillah, by the super guidance of Hazrat Maulana Ghulam Muhammad Sa Wastanwi and Hazrat Maulana Huzaifa Sa Wastanwi, there are 7 main streams: Alimiyat, Hifz, Diniyat, Tajweed, ITI College, Computer course and Physical Education for fitness such boxing, karate, etc. Until now, 685 students who had completed his course and 153 Alimiyat course, 40 staff members including non-staff members. The dedication and hard work of the principal Hazrat Maulana Qari Abdul Qadir Sahab and all hard work staff members is appreciable. And at the donation and duas for programs of Jamia are welcome. Thank you.